into your own root, where you are coming from, where the I feeling is coming from. Where? It is very simple. If there are any obstacles or hurdles in your route, Guru will eradicate it. Guru will smash the hurdles. He will remove all the hurdles. It is the duty of the Guru. Go deep into your own heart. Catch the I feeling. I am. Where is this I? Where is this feeling amness? Go there, stand there. Simple. It is the real penance. It is called the tapas. The meaning of tapas derived by Sri Bhagavan Arunachala Ramana. Who am I? Here is this I. Catch that I-ness. Hold it tightly. By holding it tightly, at first you should hold it tightly. Next, there is no need to hold tightly. Be there simply. Simply be there. You are that. You are that presence. You are there before your body's birth. There are so many births. There are so many bodies. But you are there as existence, as amness. You are there. That is real you, your real nature. That amness, that I-ness is your real nature. There is no difference between happiness and real nature. Your reality is happiness. And happiness is your own nature. Happiness is your form. Where there is you, without any form, where are you? As I amness, it is you. I-ness is you. That amness and beingness. No difference between amness and beingness. Only beingness. Be. Simply be. I am. That is called presence. That is called existence. Existence is seva. Existence has no birth. Existence has no form. Existence has no death. Existence has no growth. You are that existence. Anger is in our mind. Desires are in our mind. There is no anger in the existence. There is no anger in our real nature. There is no desire, even a small desire. There is no desire in our real nature. It is beingness. No need at all, no need of desires. It is our beingness, the ultimate. Mind need desires. Why? Mind is nothing but a bunch of desires. If you take desires from your mind, one by one, one by one, one by one, what is there? There will be no mind. Mind is a bunch of desires. Your nature is happiness. What is the need of desire? It is only Maya. Maya is nothing but play of the mind, a drama of the mind. If you see directly into your mind, oh my mind, you are desiring so much, so many things. Where are you? If you ask your mind, if you try to find your mind, it will disappear. Why? It has no existence. It is an illusion only. It is an imagination only. Mind is an imagination. It has no existence. Reality exists. That is you. Reality is Ra. That reality is me, that is Ma, Rama. What exists really, that is me, Rama. Don't imagine. Find who is imagining. Who is that imaginator? Who is imagining all this? Mind is imagining. Where is mind? Can you find your mind? Can you show me your mind? Put your mind into my hands. Give me your mind. How can you give it? There is no mind at all. This is the game of birth and death. Not only game of birth and death. There is so much trash between the birth and the death. All the in between thing is trash. Trash, trash. What is there in our mind? What good thing is there in our mind? What valuable thing is there in this world? Imaginary world. World imaginary. World is imaginary, not real. Find a single good thing, show me a single valuable thing in this world.